How to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store to check if you've actually updated your application. So commonly it is that for that reason you have not updated your application. Now, if it's updated and you cannot still have or you cannot still see your add friend button there, then what you want to do next is to go here to your Facebook and go to your menu area and then scroll all the way down and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down up until you see help and support there. Tap on help and support and tap on report a problem and continue to report and don't include in report. So the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your friend requests and you have to screenshot the problem. So you have to screenshot that you do not have an add friend button there and then tap on what went wrong, describe your problem. Let's say you do not have any add friend showing on your Facebook, and just send it and wait for the Facebook to actually get back to you and fix your problem up until 48 hours. Now, if it still doesn't work, then for iPhone users, what you can do is to go here to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then go to Facebook. Now, for Androids, it's actually kind of similar. You can go to your settings and go to your Facebook and clear cache the data there. For here, Facebook, for iPhones, you can actually offload your app and then just reinstall it. Again, for Android users, you can clear cache. Basically, that is how you fix add friend not showing on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.